Yes, I'm Roman and welcome to my channel. For today's video, we'll talk a little bit about some strange or weird experiences I had whilst in the United States during the summer. Let's go. Before we start this video, I apologize in advance for my chair because it will be making a lot of noise. Can you hear that? Yeah. Anyways, whilst in New York, I had a wonderful time in general, by the way. One day I took the metro and I was going to Manhattan, and it was pretty normal. There was nothing that was weird. Anyways, I eventually noticed that this guy, he came through one of the metro cars. He just looked like a regular person. He sat in front of me and he said, "Hey man," and I responded, if that was weird because normally people don't just speak to you randomly. Nonetheless, I ignored it and I said, "Hey," and we just engaged in maybe 2 or 3 other words more, such as, "You're good," I said, "Yes, I'm good," and that's it. But then after a few seconds, I kid you not, he took something out of his bag. I don't know what it was. It looks like an injection. So I thought he was going to inject himself with something. So I said to myself, that's crack.
I'm in love with the coco.
But then he instead drank it. And then in the immediate next second, he started spitting it all on the ground and no one moved. It was as if this is a normal day on the metro, on the subway. Then I was, okay, act normal. Do not freak out. Do not make him know that you are terrified.
I just love the smell of fear.
And then after that, I said, you know what, I need to get off this train, and luckily my stop was next. Maybe that was not weird, but for me it was a little bit strange because you don't know what someone might do when he or she's under the influence of drugs.
Don't do drugs. It's too expensive.
My second experience happened when I was coming from Manhattan. I believe it was the same day. If you'd like to see what my trip in New York was like, please watch my other videos. Anyways, whilst on the train, I started hearing this noise like water. And I said, there's water flowing. That was strange. So I looked, no one else was moving. So I thought I was hearing things, but then I heard the water flowing again. And lo and behold, I saw this guy vomiting. He was just vomiting. And no one moved. And then whilst he vomited, there were some persons who they were still stepping in it. They didn't move as if this was another normal day. Then some of the persons entered the train at the stop and they just walked in it. They sat and I said to myself, you are not noticing the odor, that pungent smell. So these are 2 weird experiences I had in these states. Anyways, I hope you liked my video. Please give this video a thumbs up, like, subscribe, share. And finally, if you've been in the US before, what are some strange experiences you've had on the metro? It doesn't have to be on the metro, of course. Just let me know in the comments down below and I'll see you next time. Ciao, ciao. I'm hearing things. But then I heard, and I started saying, no, that's weird.